Right now we're going to talk to you about how to actually set up RTK. We're going to show you how to set it up for a quick survey base. All right, so we would boot up our receiver, plug our 2630 in. From there, we go up to our receiver page. From our receiver page, we go to our tripod page. And at the tripod page, we simply hit configure. Once hitting configure, we're going to see our different operating modes. One is vehicle, vehicle repeater, quick survey base, and absolute base. These are going to be the options for a 900 radio. With a 450 radio, our only options will be vehicle, quick survey base, and absolute base. For our purposes today, we're going to choose quick survey base. Our channel ID will be 1000, and our radio channel will be 1. At the bottom, we simply select OK. We configure the radio. Once radio configuration is successful, we come back to our normal RTK run page. You'll see that our radio channel ID and our network ID both carry over. At the top, we see our RTK status OK. We are getting 17 satellites. Our location number is quick survey. Our distance, this is our distance from our average location. Next is going to be our direction and our base voltage. One thing to remember when running an RTK base outside hooked to a pickup truck or to a battery, we have to maintain more than 11.5 volts to get proper signal. You can actually see this information in the cab as well. We'll show you the base voltage. And that's how we configure RTK. Other thing we can look at here is what kind of satellite reception we're getting. We're going to see that we're in 3DSF3. That tells us that we are operating in quick survey base mode. If we had swapped this to vehicle, like I will here, go configure and go vehicle. One of the things we're going to see is, as we reconfigure the radio, that once successful, since this was the base, we're going to see that we no longer have a signal, but you see our operation mode switches to vehicle. It's just as easy to swap it from vehicle as it is back to quick survey base. Simply select OK. And it's back to being a quick survey base. So it literally takes about 2 minutes to swap it from a vehicle to a quick survey base. Once we have that base set up, let me show you what that quick survey base is going to look like. This is our 6000 configured as a quick survey base. If we have this set up for terracotta or in running I-grade, one of the things we want to do is make sure that we have these tripods extended further than I do right now. I have them extended about to here. As far as maintaining how level the receiver is, it's not overly important that the receiver be perfectly level, but what is important is if you're going to have to leave the field and come back, that the receiver and the tripod are in exactly the same position. That is very key. One of the things you're going to notice on the front of the receiver, since this is configured as a quick survey base, the light on the front is going to be blue, whereas when we're running as a vehicle, that light will be green. These are 900 radios, as signified by the black tip antenna. For 450, it would be a white tipped antenna. And with that, we're ready to go to the field.